Hey guys, it's Doug and Laura with Eden Lawn Services, and today is Memorial Day. And we're going mowing. Now,
And yes, we checked with all our customers first.
Yeah, we did. And I'm going to cover a couple things here real quick. I'm a veteran, and to me, Memorial Day is a rough day. So, before you guys say it's disrespectful to go work on Memorial Day, for me, it's a way to keep busy. That way I don't have to deal with things that I don't want to think about. So we checked with all our customers and everybody's good with it. And so we're just going to do our regular Monday evening route.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Yep. It's just coming up on noon right now. So we are going to go work. Now, that being said, you know what? I am in no hurry.
No.
I am not in production mode, which means we got a time frame and we need to get it all done as quick as we can and go, 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 go. You know what? I'm going to enjoy the mow today. That's what I'm going to do. Enjoy the mow. I'm going to take my time, maybe smell a flower or two.
Wow.
Make things nice and perfect and pretty and be in no hurry.
Well, our first one didn't get mowed last week.
Right, yep,
We
that
got
was
the
our
dog
one.
out.
That was our one skip that we had the dog out on our whole schedule. But I am not going to be in a hurry, and I'm going to enjoy this a little bit. And we're leaving Bill for last, because you know what Bill's going to have for us.
Yeah.
Bill's going to have a beer for us.
Yeah.
And if we're lucky, he'll have
We
a
should
barbecue
bring
running.
Bill a beer.
We should.
We should.
Maybe we'll go get Bill a beer.
Maybe we will.
We will do that. Got to take care of your customers.
I think that we should. Let's
I will.
do
I
that.
got some good porter at the house.
Ooh, I don't think he's a porter guy.
He's not?
He's a Coors Light guy.
He's a Coors Light guy? Well, I'm
And
going to open
she's
his
a-
eyes to new
and
experiences.
she's a lemonade Seagrams,
Yeah,
or
okay.
what is that?
I don't know.
It's a,
We will go get him some.
yeah. I like that.
That's good.
So we did that whole thing and we weren't even
All
recording.
right. Repeat.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. I think I started with.
You may
I
not
know.
have seen that.
Yeah, I know what we're calling this episode. Rescue of the Dog Out. Oh, so hopefully you guys could see in the video that grass was about 10 inches tall because we missed her last week because her dog was in her backyard, the 120-pound puppy dog. And to top it all off, she forgot that we were coming today and her sprinklers were running just before we got there. So it was 10 inches of soaking wet. Oh my gosh. 4 passes and a blow off and we got it cleaned up. And Laura was trimming some serious stuff too, weren't you?
Oh yes.
But we got her knocked down, and you guys see in the video at the end where I put in that bling shot, it looks really good. So that was our one skip last week. We called it a dog out in the previous video because there was a dog in the backyard, we couldn't get to it. Oh well. Not gonna skip her ever again. Oh sheesh. So hey, we were in no hurry, we had time, we made sure we did it right, and you know, that's what you get with Eden Lawn Services.
That's right. And
So-
some sweat.
All right, there you go, guys. We're just gonna do the dog out rescue. I don't know
We
what you wanna call it.
rescued that lawn.
We rescued that lawn, that's for sure. Hey, I just want to make sure to wish everybody a happy Memorial Day. Let's remember why we have a Memorial Day for those that gave the sacrifices to give you the freedoms that you have today. So, you know, thank a veteran. And hit them buttons, and we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.